Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. My name is Gayatri, English teacher of Dr. Besant School. Today we are going to have our second standard English subject. So till now we have completed all the phonic sounds, have to sound the letters, diphthongs, and have to combine those letters, how to combine those sounds, isn't it? So now today we are going to start our new book. The day you are waiting for to start your new books, right? So even I'm also waiting for this day. So now we are going to start our new books. So as you all know that we are having two books this year for English. English will be in pink color. So like this you are having four. If you observe down, you will be having volume one, two books, volume two, two books. So in volume one will be up to half yearly and volume two will be for annually. So let us all have in these sessions this volume one books only. Keep volume two books aside. Daily you should be ready with this volume one books. Okay, children? So fine. Now already in the last introduction class I told you to color everyone this rainbow. But still only half of you have sent me the pictures. Still some more are left to come. So I want everyone to send this designed book picture to me. Okay, children. So I already told you this will be studio in the sense it is the textbook part, companion in the sense whatever grammar you have learned here, those worksheets will be there, colorful worksheets. So you are ready now? Shall we go into that book, into our lessons? So if you observe what is the cover page you need to color, draw? I told you rainbow. What we do? Rainbow. Basing on this only, we are going to have a lesson in this book called A Curve of Colors. A curve of colors. So, what is the name of the lesson? I want everyone to recite along with me. A curve of colors. What is the name of the lesson? A curve of colors. Means curve in the sense it will be like this. If you have different colors in this curve, what we call that? Rainbow, right? Yes or no? So what is the name of the lesson? A curve of colors. Again, a curve of colors. So I want everyone to open page 1. Open this page, all of you. I want everyone to open your page 1. So if you see the overview, please be with your pencil, eraser, sharpener, textbook, studio book, and wherever I am reading, please put your finger or pencil so that there will be no confusion for you. So see, I want everyone to open this page, page 1. Put your pencil here. Start overview. What are you going to learn in this lesson? In this lesson, we will read a poem about a rainbow. About these curves of colors, we are going to read. What will be the colors of color? Rainbow. So we are going to read about rainbow. Next, you learn how to form the plurals of the words. Plurals means, singular means, everyone knows singular means single, one. Plural means more than one. Yes or no? Many, more. One, this is one if you say chalk piece. If I have many chalk pieces with me, we call chalk pieces. Yes or no? So one is singular, more will be plural. So you are going to learn plurals also. Next, use a and an with words. Articles. Articles means what are the three articles we have in English language? A, and the. That you all know already we have learned in class 1. What are the articles? A and the. In this lesson, you learn particularly a and an. I think most of you are very much thorough with a and using words. Where we use a before words, where we use and before the words, you all know. But again, we'll recall and we'll do many worksheets also on this. Okay, so let us see this first. Pep. There is some small activity here. What are the 7 colors of a rainbow? So, what are the 3 things we are going to do in this chapter? You'll be learning about rainbow, a poem about rainbow, plurals, and articles. These are the 3 things you are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, children. So, let us see a poem. Before that, going to that, let us see the first activity part, what they are saying. See, what are the 7 colors of the rainbow? You know, in rainbow, we have 7 colors. Can anyone tell me what are the 7 colors? The parent who is sitting beside the child, please check whether they are telling the correct colors or not. Because in your first standard, you have already learned about the 7 colors in your EVS. So, what are the 7 colors? Let me write on the board: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and the last one is red. So these are the 7 colors of the rainbow. So we all know that how many colors we have in rainbow? We have 7 colors in a rainbow. We have 7 colors in a rainbow. To keep all these colors in our mind easily, there is a shortcut for this. If you observe, V, I, B, G, Y, O, and the last one is R, Vibgyor. This is, if you remember this word, the first letter of every color, they are made to a word. They are made into a word. If you remember this word, automatically you can get all these colors in your mind. So the simplification of keeping the 7 colors of a rainbow is Vibgyor. What it is? Vibgyor. Again, Vibgyor. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So I want everyone to write in your rough books all these 7 colors and the word Vibgyor also. Okay, children? See that you'll write, note down all the colors properly. Check whether all the colors you have noted down properly or not. So now we are clear? What is the word you should remember for remembering all these colors? Vibgyor. What it is? Vibgyor. Ib, the, y, or Vibgyor. So clear now? Let's see the next one. The hint, already they gave you the hint, Vibgyor, in the sense. If you remember this word, automatically V for violet, I for indigo, blue for green, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. Automatically you can get all the 7 colors which we can see in a rainbow. Now, circle the 7 colors, one has been done for you. So if you observe, they gave you some colors on the, in the book, right? Let me also copy it down so that it makes you too easy to do the work. Let me write all those colors. What is the first one? Violet, they gave black, gold, red, and nearby they gave you small boxes also, isn't it? Yes. Indigo, blue, yellow, pink. Here also they gave you some boxes like this. And the last set of words are brown, green, orange, and purple. So these are one more boxes. Okay. Now out of all these colors, you need to circle the colors which you can see in the rainbow. So according to what is the word I told you, to hint I told you, Vibgyor. Isn't it? This is the thing you need to keep in your mind so that you can easily Get the colors what are present in the rainbow. So first one is V. V for violet. Already they have circled it. Right? They have already circled it for you. So let us see the second one. I for indigo. So color circle it also. They asked us to circle, right? B for blue. See where is blue? Here is the blue. Circle blue also. G for green. See where is green? Here is green. Circle green. Next, Y for yellow. Circle yellow. O for orange. Orange. And R for red. So circle red. Okay. So you have circled all the 7 colors. Count whether you got 7 colors or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. These are the 7 colors we see in rainbow. So next what to do? We have circled them. See now, from these, which color do you like the most? Give it the highest rank. 1. Rank the other colors in the order in which you like them. Write each color's rank in the box next to it. So what to do in this box? So these are the 7 colors. So out of these 7 colors, which color you like the most? You. Suppose if I'll have my own loving color. In the same way, you'll also be loving some colors now. Out of these 7 colors, which is your favorite color? Number it 1. Next, which color you like? Number it 2. Next, which color you like? Number it 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like that, you need to number your favorite colors. So just 1 minute time I'm giving you. You try to number those colors. Which color you like? That you can number it 1. The next color which you like, suppose if you like green the most out of all these colors, you'll number it 1 here. Next you like yellow, 2. Next you like blue, 3. Next you like orange, 4, like that. Which color you like the most? Only out of these circled colors, not all colors. Only the colors which you see in the rainbow, out of those 7 colors, which color you like the most? Number it 1. Next, number it 2. Next, number it 3. Like that. Make it fast. Make it fast. Completed? So if coming to me, not you people, you guys, I'll number this according to my favorite colors. Okay. So out of all these colors, the best color which I like is blue, suppose. 1. Next, I love green. 2. Next, I love orange. 3. Next, I love yellow. 4. Next, I like red. 5. Next, violet. 6. Next, indigo. 7. So these are the numbers which I gave for my favorite colors. So what are your favorite colors? You need to write. You need to rank those colors according to that. No need to copy from here. Which colors you like, you can do that. Okay, children. So your homework for today is you need to learn all these 7 colors properly. Learn rainbow colors. Okay, children. You need to learn the rainbow colors. What are the rainbow colors? What is the word you can use to remember all the 7 colors? That is your homework for today. So again, we'll meet in our next class with and before leaving, you can turn the page to page 2. Once you can see page number 2 also. Take a class poll to find out the ranking for the colors. Complete the following. Okay, this leave it. We'll do when we all come to the class. Okay, children, and your homework for today is learn all the rainbow colors. And we'll meet in the next class. Bye-bye.